MCity works in a variety of areas, from law to policy to engineering. We focus on pre-competitive research in transportation, pre-standards, things that can become standards in the future. We're here today to focus on the topic of automated vehicle testing, how specific test methodologies play a crucial role in informing the public, ensuring their trust, and simultaneously assisting industry and government in the deployment and adoption of AV technology, all while supporting their mandate to do so safely. The question of how safe is safe enough has circled automated vehicle technologies since the very earliest concepts decades ago. In fact, the very existence of AVs is based on the promise of reducing roadway deaths and injury, while also saving energy and increasing access to our transportation systems. Unfortunately, we're not having the success we should be in reducing deaths and injury on our roads. Recent National Safety Council data shows over 42,000 people died in motor vehicle crashes in 2020, which is up over 8% from the prior year, despite people driving less because of the COVID-19 pandemic. If automation is going to help us as one of the many tools in our toolbox to improve transportation safety, the technology first and foremost has to be trusted. Thought experiments in AV tech have quickly become human subject research on our roads as industry, as newcomers from outside the automotive industry and others have experimented with automated vehicle services and begun to transport people on public roads. Some are doing an excellent job of this safely. Others, likely not. It's hard for the public to tell without a clear, transparent window into those processes. In the wake of several fatal crashes early in 2018, understandably, consumer confidence and trust in automated vehicles and concepts plummeted. The optimism dampened about how AVs could help solve some of our society's thorniest transportation problems. This was understandably a jolt to the industry. I think some of the enthusiasm for AVs may have been born of hype, in fact, but the fatalities were an appropriate wake-up for us. The how safe is safe enough question then was joined by a how do you prove an AV is safe enough to operate on public roads? Enter MCity's Automated Vehicle Working Group, which is comprised of our industry partners and academic researchers. They responded by kicking off research into testing techniques that could be used to both answer this question, as well as do so in a very publicly visible way. MCity then developed what we call the MCity ABC test concept for gauging the competency of automated vehicles in a controlled environment prior to testing moving onto the public roads. So now, several years after these fatalities, our National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, is exploring the idea of developing a safety framework for AVs, what they call automated driving systems. Only 14% of people who drive would trust an AV. So against that backdrop, we feel the MCity ABC test could serve as a blueprint for developing a safety testing protocol for automated vehicles. Perhaps most importantly, it would be public and help show that a particular system can be trusted to safely use our roadways alongside us. Thanks.